Hi guys, today we are making sushi ginger. You know those pickled pink ginger that you get from a sushi restaurant? That's what we're making today. We're going to make a very small amount. I'm going to peel the ginger with, this is my grapefruit spoon. So this one I'm going to just break it. Okay, so I'm going to give this a quick rinse also. Okay, now I will say the ginger is quite clean. 3.1, okay, so I'll go with that. Slice them very thinly. You could see my finger through. Big knife here. Yes. See how thin that is? I'm cutting along with the grain, you know, so I could see the grain. I am boiling 2 cups of water. To this, I am going to add half teaspoon sea salt. I'm going to throw in all the sliced ginger here. Turn off the heat. I'm going to let the ginger sit in this water for 10 minutes. The raw ginger can be bitter and then spicy. We're trying to reduce that bitter and spicy flavor. Okay, so it has been 10 minutes. Discard all the water. And very important, we're not gonna rinse, so please do not rinse. And then just let this cool in the colander. So in the meantime, let's make the pickle brine. Traditionally, it is made with rice vinegar, but rice vinegar can be expensive. So this is what I go with, distilled white vinegar. It's more potent than the rice vinegar. This is 4 tablespoons of that vinegar. I'm going to dilute it with 2 tablespoons of water. 4 tablespoons white sugar. Let's try to dissolve this. So I'm going to turn the heat. Do not boil the vinegar. Heating the pot enough to melt the sugar. All the sugar dissolved. So this is cool enough. Squeeze out the juice and then put directly into the jar where I will be pickling. If you like to make more, you can definitely double or even triple the amount. Okay, so I'm going to pour in the brine. Since this is still steaming, you'll just wait about an hour. Close the lid. Keep it in the refrigerator. It will be ready in 24 hours. If you wait longer, it will be more pickled. If you don't want to color this, you could say, okay, this is ready. I'm done. I'm going to put just a little bit. I think I might have to add just a little bit more. Yeah, that looks more like it. This is the one that I made about 4 months ago. Yeah. So see how easy and quick that was? Thank you very much guys for watching. Until next time, bye bye.